Hello everyone and welcome back to our home studio. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to check out the upcoming 5 motorcycles in India under 1 lakh budget. So these bikes are expected to release this quarter, that is the third quarter of 2020. If you are planning to buy a motorcycle under 1 lakh budget, then do watch this video so that you can understand if you want to buy these upcoming bikes or you want to go for the bikes that are already available in India. And if you want to check out the best bikes available under 1 lakh budget, just click on the link over here. So before we proceed ahead, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss an update from Rev Explorers. Also, check out our Instagram page. So we'll go in the descending order. That means the bike closest to the 1 lakh mark will be on number 5, and then we'll proceed down to number 1, which will be the closest to 50,000 mark. On number 5, we have the Hero Xpulse 200T. Now this bike will be available in 4 colors and will have an approximate ex-showroom price of 95,000. The Xtreme 200T will get a 199cc engine, which is air-cooled engine and mated with a 5-speed gearbox. The maximum power generated by this engine will be 18.4 PS at 8000 RPM and the peak torque will be 17.1 Nm at 6500 RPM. In terms of safety, the bike will offer a single channel ABS with a 180 section tire in the front and 130/70 section tire in the rear. The fuel tank capacity of the bike will be 13 liters, and as soon as it is available in the market, we'll let you know what the fuel efficiency will be. The curb weight of the bike will be 150 kgs and the ground clearance will be at 177 mm. Well, talking about the features, this bike will be an adventure series bike in the 200cc segment and it looks kind of aggressive and very sporty. Now it does get LED headlights and LED tail lights, and you get the traditional turn signals. Hero says that along with that you will get a smartphone connectivity as well as a smartphone charging point on the bike itself, and the console will be completely digital, so the tachometer, speedometer and odometer, everything will be in the digital console. The bike will offer a 7-step adjustable monoshock. The seats look very comfortable and promising. You do not get a split seat, you get a single seat, so you can suspect that it is going to be cushionier. Also, talking about the looks, it looks very raw and aggressive. I really like the feel it gives when you see it from the front. So as already said, it is going to be an adventure series bike, and at a cost of 95,000 ex-showroom, it will definitely be worth it. Now coming to number 4, that is the Hero Xtreme 200R. And Xtreme series by Hero has been in the market for quite some time, and it is going to be available in a BS6 avatar now. The bike will be offered in 5 colors and at an ex-showroom price of 93,000. And as far as the engine is concerned, you will get a same engine from the Hero Xpulse 200T. So that means you will get a 199cc engine which is fuel injected, air cooled and is mated with a 5-speed gearbox. The maximum power output will be at 18.4 PS at 8000 RPM and the peak torque will be at 17.1 Nm at 6500 RPM. Along with that, in terms of safety, you will get a single channel ABS and the tires will be 180 section in the front and 130/70 section in the rear. Now these will be 17-inch alloy wheels. And as far as the fuel tank capacity is considered, Hero has decreased the fuel tank capacity by 500 ml. So you get a 12.5 liter fuel tank in the Xtreme 200R. Also, the weight has gone down by 1 kg. So the weight of the Xtreme 200R is 149 kgs and the ground clearance will be at 165 mm. The Xtreme 200R does not get much of cosmetic changes. So you do get a semi-digital, semi-analog console. So the speedometer and the odometer is digital and the tachometer is analog. So Hero has kept it old school in this bike. You do get LED headlights and LED tail lamps. However, the turn signals are still the traditional bulbs. In terms of looks, the Xtreme 200R comes from a category of naked sports bike. But if you ask me, I personally feel that it looks more of a commuter. And I feel that the fuel efficiency of the Xtreme 200R will be great because it is equipped with an i3S smart technology. We do not have the fuel efficiency specs yet because the bike is supposed to be released this month, that is June 2020. But let's see when it really gets released. And just to add, the Xtreme 200R also gets a 7-step adjustable monoshock for a comfortable ride. Now coming to number 3, which is the younger sibling of the Xtreme 200R, that is the Xtreme 160R. As of now, we only know that Xtreme 160R will be available in one color, that is white, and will have a X showroom starting from 90,000 and may go up to 95,000. We are not really confident on the 95,000 X showroom mark, because then it will surpass the 200R, which is really not logical, but definitely it is going to be somewhere around 90,000. Now in terms of engine, the Xtreme 160R gets a small sized 163cc air cooled engine, which is fuel injected and is mated with a 5-speed gearbox, and it delivers a maximum power of 15.2 PS at 8,500 rpm and a maximum torque of 14 Nm at 6,500 rpm. In terms of safety, the 160R is also speculated to have a single channel ABS, so which will be a very good plus point for the 160R. And in terms of fuel tank capacity, again Hero has reduced the tank capacity by 500 ml. So you get a 12-liter fuel tank in the 160R. In terms of weight, the younger sibling shreds 10 kgs and the ground clearance goes up by 5 mm, that is 170 mm. And the best part is that the Xtreme 160R will come in a brand new BS6 avatar. That means you will get to see LED headlights, LED tail lights and LED turn indicators. Along with that, the 160R will feature a complete digital console, will have a 7-step adjustable monoshock. So this bike will be more economical than the 200R and will look even more sportier than the 200R. So I'll place my money on 160R instead of the 200R, because in terms of power and torque, the difference is marginal, and in terms of looks, I personally feel that the 160R looks more futuristic and more cool than the 200R. Now let's jump on to the number 2, and that is the Honda Hornet, or I should call CB Hornet 160R. Now the CB Hornet 160R will be offered in 5 different colors and will range from 86,000 X showroom to somewhere around 95,000 X showroom. In terms of engine, the 160R gets a 162cc air cooled engine which is mated with a 5-speed gearbox. Now with the BS6, it will be fuel injected and it will deliver a maximum power of 15 PS at 8,500 rpm and a peak torque of 14.5 Nm at 6,500 rpm. In terms of safety, the Hornet will get a single channel ABS with tire sizes of 180 section in the front and 140/70 section in the rear. So you will get thicker tires in the Hornet 160R. Along with that, you get a fuel tank capacity of 12 liters with a ground clearance of 164 mm. The total curb weight of Hornet 160R will be somewhere around 141 kgs. And well, in terms of look, it will feel the same. You will get an LED headlight and an X-shaped LED tail light with bulb turn indicators and a digital console. So the tachometer, speedometer and everything will be digital as it was in the previous generation. The 2 new features Honda says they have added are hazard lights, so you don't need to get an additional third-party system installed in your bike for the hazard light setup. And secondly, it will get a compact muffler. But all in all, the bike will still look the same. The face will have a different look because of the LED headlight, but rest of the bike will still feel the same. Now coming to the number 1, the Honda X-Blade. And since its launch, I feel the Honda X-Blade already looks futuristic, and the same looks are going to be carried forward in the BS6 avatar. So the Honda X-Blade will be offered in 5 colors and will have an estimated ex-showroom price of 80,000 to somewhere around 89,000. And the X-Blade will have a similar engine as that of the Hornet 160R. So you'll get to see a 162cc air-cooled engine which will be mated with a 5-speed gearbox, and the maximum power generated by the X-Blade will be somewhere around 14 PS at 8,500 rpm, and the peak torque will be somewhere around 14 Nm at 6,000 rpm. Now the X-Blade will also feature a single channel ABS, so which is again a good thing, and will have a front tire of 180 section and the rear tire of 130/70 section. So the rear tire has now become a little bit thinner than the Hornet 160R. In terms of fuel tank capacity, you will get a 12-liter fuel tank. It will weigh somewhere around 142 kgs and the ground clearance will be 160 mm. So as I already said, the X-Blade will feature the same futuristic looks that were available in the previous generation. Along with that, Honda says you will get a hazard switch, and with its futuristic look, you will definitely get a LED headlight, LED tail light and LED turn signals. So these are the 5 upcoming bikes in the Indian market under 1 lakh budget. So if you are planning to buy a bike and your budget is somewhere around 1 lakh rupees, either you can wait for these 5 to be launched in India, or you can just pick up from the best selling bikes under 1 lakh budget. I hope this video was helpful for you. Do share it with your friends and family, whosoever is planning to buy a bike and their budget is under 1 lakh rupees. Last but not the least, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss an update from Rev Explorers. And if you are still confused which bike you want to buy under 1 lakh rupees, you can post your queries in the comment section below, or you can directly get in touch with us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. We would love to help you. So it's time to say bye bye. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay home and be safe.